Hello, bonjour and bonjour everyone. I'm Maggie from the Fort Francis Library and welcome to this week's Craft Club tutorial.
I'm here!
Hey Cody, you're just on time. Are you ready for this week's craft?
You bet I am!
Awesome! Why don't you introduce yourself, Cody?
Okay! Hi everybody, I'm Cody, your lovely librarian's assistant. I get stuff for crafts, and I make them too. I just love making crafts. What?
Well, did you not bring something for the craft today, Cody?
Well, I did bring something, but it's probably wrong.
Well, how about this? Let's make a craft based on the stuff you brought today.
Really? You mean it?
Yeah, of course!
I got all these pipe cleaners and pom-poms. Can we make something out of these?
Actually, I think I know just the craft to make. We're going to be making bee and bug headbands inspired by Simple at Home. I think we're going to do something special for the bees by raising awareness about honeybees. So did you know that bees are the biggest pollinators in the world? And without them, we won't be able to enjoy fruits, veggies, and flowers. Slowly all over the world, bees are going extinct, and we want to help them out by planting flowers and raise awareness. So if you want to help at home, build a bee garden. Put stuff in like borage or daisies or sunflowers or cosmos. Bees really like those kinds of flowers.
Bees are so fluffy, just like me. I just love bees.
I do too. Well, let's hope that this craft raises awareness for the bees. Let's get started! Before you start the project, make sure you work on a clean surface. In this bag, you should have one instruction sheet, 4 strips of construction paper, red and yellow, 1 black square of construction paper, 4 pipe cleaners, and 4 pom-poms. Some extra material you will need is some scissors, some markers, and glue stick. Oh, and don't forget about some tape. Put everything away but your strip of paper and your marker. You can either put dots or stripes on the construction paper, but I'm gonna put some stripes on the yellow to make the bumblebee. For the polka dots, you can put it on the red one to make a ladybug. Alrighty, so take your scissors and your black construction paper. This will be to make the stinger and the polka dots for the ladybug. So cut a triangle out of the construction paper and then some circles out of the rest. If you want to make cutting the circles easier, find a circular object and trace around it to make templates. Then cut around the trace line and you should have a lot of circles. Make sure to toss out any scraps into the recycling bin. Once you have a pile of black dots, we're going to set them aside for the headband. Alrighty, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our pom-poms and our pipe cleaners and we're going to wrap the pipe cleaner around the pom-pom. This is going to make the antenna for our bee and ladybug. Make sure not to go too far down from the pipe cleaner because you will run out of pipe cleaner eventually. There we go. Once you have a reasonable amount, do the same to the other. If you're having troubles wrapping the pipe cleaner around the pom-pom, tie it to the base of the pipe cleaner so that it will stick all around it. Alrighty, pick a place to bend the pipe cleaner at. I'm gonna do it halfway through, but if the pom-pom is too strong, you can do it all the way up to the pom-pom to add extra strength, and then twist the pipe cleaner to make it stronger. So now let's make the headband. Take your strips of paper and your tape. You're going to need 4 strips of tape. So take 1 strip of tape and your construction paper. Try to overlap them and make sure there's at least 1 inch of overlap. Once you got it to where you want it to be, tape it down. This will make sure it's secured in place. And then take another strip and do it to the other side. Alrighty, so once you got that, wrap it around your head and then grab it by the back. Find where the 2 pieces overlap and pinch it right on the overlap. Then adjust it as need be and then tape it. Then do the same thing to the other side. If you're having difficulties doing this by yourself, don't hesitate to ask an adult to help. Take your glue, your stinger, your headbands, and your pom-poms. Apply glue to the bottom of the stinger, and then put it at the back of the headband. Next up, take your pom-poms and your tape. We're going to be putting it on the sides of the headbands. If you don't want to use tape, you can use glue, whether it be white glue or a hot glue gun. I'm going to use tape because it's a little bit easier. I'm going to take a few strips of tape to make sure it sticks really good to the headband. Like I said, if you are having trouble sticking your pipe cleaners on, or if it's flopping over a lot, you can shorten the length of the pipe cleaner and twist it around itself to make sure it's stronger. There we go, that seems to be a lot better. Alrighty, so take it and put it on the seam of your headband. This way it will kind of hide the pipe cleaner and it won't stick out as much. Tape it down, use as much tape as you need, or put as much hot glue as you need. I think I'm going to do 3 strips just to be sure. Don't forget to do the same to the other side as well. Alrighty, so if you want, you can stick the black circles for the ladybug headband on now, or after you close it around your head. Cody's going to be doing it after he's made them, so let's show you how to do it. Alright, so take your black circles and your glue. Then, I'm just going to borrow your headband, Cody, sorry. So what you're going to do is you're going to carefully put the black circles onto the headband with your glue. So just take any one and then glue the back and then stick it on. Easy peasy, just like that. I think Cody wants to put on the rest, so I'll let him do that. they look really cute.
Look at the mounts.
I like your ladybug, Cody.
Thanks. I like your bee too.
Oh, well, thanks. I hope you guys learned a little bit more about bees during this craft. If you'd like, take a picture of it and send it to us on our Facebook, and make sure to use the hashtag #SaveTheBees.
We can't be done already. I wanted to do more.
Oh, I'm sorry, Cody. That's it for this week. But there is one more thing we can do.
What's that?
The cleanup song! Are you ready? Clean up, everybody clean up, clean up, clean up. Let's all put our stuff away.